Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and sometimes I'm just amazed some of the questions I get. And at first I thought it was so silly, and I apologize for thinking your idea was silly, but it's really a good idea. Uh, if you wanted to delete this surface or this object, you could right-click your mouse and delete it. If you wanted to delete it, you could hit the delete key, which is on the right side of your keyboard in two spaces. If you wanted to delete it, you could probably hit the back key and it'll delete it. But let's say you're deleting a lot of lines and you want to use your mouse with your right hand and delete with your left hand. Well, it could be done. A lot of people, you need to think about things like when you're not having the text tool picked, the letters on your keyboard aren't text. They're not writing anything. That's one thing you've got to consider. So let's go to Tools, Options, Customization. Go to Commands. And then instead of cursoring down or typing in or magnify or zooming in to try to find delete, you can go to Edit. And even though delete isn't highlighted because there's nothing delete or there's nothing picked, you can click on delete. Then go to shortcut keys and you can see the shortcut keys for delete are backspace and delete. Well, how about if we use the letter Q? It's not being used by anything else. Assign it. Say OK. All I'm going to do is click on the item and hit the letter Q. Click on the item and hit the letter Q. No matter what the item is, I can click on the item and hit the letter Q. I love it. So from a silly idea to a really good idea. I hope that helped and answered his question, and thank you for watching.